Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are going to start the activity of pronoun. Okay, Zili Haider, what is pronoun?
It is a part of speech. Pronoun is used for replacement of noun. It is an state of noun.
Very
Example,
good.
Rehan is a boy. He is a bird.
Okay, thank you.
There are many kinds of pronouns.
Okay.
Personal pronoun, relative pronoun, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, indefinite pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, and interrogative pronoun, possessive pronoun.
Thank you. Okay, Kravel, can you please explain the one type of pronoun, and that's personal pronoun?
The personal pronoun refers a person. Like there are three types of person: first, second, third. Example: I, you, and she.
Thank you. Time to understand the kinds of person.
I am a boy. You are a boy. We are boys.
Okay, what is demonstrative pronoun?
It is used to point a specific thing.
For example.
This is a verb.
Thank you.
I am a girl. You are a girl. There are girls.
We are girls.